To set up forms, we will navigate to the Conversations module, Settings, select Conversation Forms, and choose Create New. First things first, we will rename our form to Warranty Claim based on the purpose of the form. We can create several forms within one contact center. This is why it is recommended to name the form by its purpose for easier forms management. We are now located in the Design view, where we will create our form, and later we will see how it looks in the Preview section. On the right-hand side, we will choose Create New Field, Add Text, and input name and surname, and simply drag and drop the field in the design. There are some other fields that I have created before, and I will now just drag and drop the fields to the middle of the screen. Email, product, order number, reason of warranty. If needed, we can go to the preview to see how will the form look like. And last, create. If we navigate to Input Fields, we can see all the fields we created. Over here, we can edit the fields or delete them. As for the drop-down type, in our case, it is the field named Reason of Warranty. It can be edited only from this panel here. We just need to click on Add Drop-down option and input the field. And this is it for the conversation forms. We will see how agents can utilize conversation forms in the following sections of this course. Continue with your learning and unlock even more knowledge on how to use conversation solution.